Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use Temu affiliate program. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar, type in Temu affiliate, hit enter and you will see the first search result that says temu.com affiliate program Temu. Click on this link and it is going to promote you to another page where you will see the get started button for Temu affiliate. And as you can see, you also get $2 available cash by joining the affiliate now quickly. So you can click on the get now button here or simply cut this out. Now simply click on this get started button on this page. It is going to show you this pop-up that says sign in and register. So register for a Temu affiliate program. Simply register any email and click on continue. After you click on continue, it is going to show you the security verification. We'll have to simply do as shown. After you complete the verification, you'll have to create a strong password. After creating the password, click on register. Now it is going to promote you to your dashboard. We'll have to simply scroll at the bottom of this page and click on this affiliate and influencer button in the company info section. Click on this button and it will show you this page where you can easily sign up for the affiliate program. Now, as you can see, your referral link will be available just right here. You can copy any one of these referral codes and send it to anyone you want. You can share these codes with anyone and whenever someone is going to use this code, you will get a commission from this. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.